What is the first step to start using GitHub Copilot? A. Install the GitHub Copilot extension. B. Sign up for a free trial or subscription. C. Configure GitHub Copilot in VS Code. D. Troubleshoot GitHub Copilot. Answer. B. Sign up for a free trial or subscription. What should you do if errors are not logged in the regular locations for GitHub Copilot? A. Reinstall the GitHub Copilot extension. B. View the Electron logs. C. Contact GitHub support immediately. D. Disable and re-enable GitHub Copilot. Answer. B. View the Electron logs. How does GitHub Copilot assist in pull request reviews? A. By providing AI-generated summaries of changes. B. By automatically merging pull requests. C. By sending notifications to reviewers. D. By creating new pull requests. Answer. A. By providing AI-generated summaries of changes. Evaluate the importance of policy management for GitHub Copilot in an enterprise setting. A. It ensures controlled access and usage of Copilot. B. It allows for the development of new features. C. It provides a platform for user feedback. D. It automates the billing process. Answer. A. It ensures controlled access and usage of Copilot. Which principle is not one of the 6 identified by Microsoft for responsible AI? A. Fairness. B. Innovation. C. Inclusiveness. D. Accountability. Answer. B. Innovation. What is the first step in the GitHub Copilot user prompt process flow? A. Secure prompt transmission and context gathering. B. Proxy filter. C. Toxicity filtering. D. Code generation with LLM. Answer. A. Secure prompt transmission and context gathering. How does GitHub Copilot improve interaction through implicit prompts? A. By requiring detailed prompts for every task. B. By using / commands like fix. C. By automatically correcting all errors without input. D. By providing a list of all possible solutions. Answer. B. By using / commands like fix. Which of the following is a limitation of GitHub Copilot Chat? A. It may not handle complex code structures well. B. It can generate code for all programming languages equally. C. It automatically fixes all bugs in the code. D. It provides accurate responses to non-coding questions. Answer. A. It may not handle complex code structures well. What distinguishes GitHub Copilot Enterprise from GitHub Copilot Business? A. Enterprise includes an extra layer of customization. B. Business includes GitHub Copilot integrated into github.com. C. Enterprise is free for all users. D. Business offers a chat interface for code-based discussions. Answer. A. Enterprise includes an extra layer of customization. How does GitHub Copilot Chat assist in generating unit test cases? A. It generates test cases based on the user's personal coding style. B. It manually identifies edge cases and boundary conditions for testing. C. It generates code snippets based on the code in the editor or the code selected in the editor. D. It provides a library of pre-written test cases for common functions. Answer. C. It generates code snippets based on the code in the editor or the code selected in the editor. What is the purpose of reviewing and correcting the output generated by GitHub Copilot Chat? A. To ensure that the AI is learning correctly. B. To ensure the accuracy and completeness of the generated explanations and documentation. C. To provide feedback to the AI for future improvements. D. To test the AI's capabilities. Answer. B. To ensure the accuracy and completeness of the generated explanations and documentation. What are the primary functions of the GitHub Copilot extension in Visual Studio Code? A. It generates code completion suggestions based on code entered in the editor. B. It provides syntax error checking. C. It offers project management tools. D. It integrates with cloud services for deployment. Answer. A. It generates code completion suggestions based on code entered in the editor. In what way can GitHub Copilot Chat assist with unfamiliar resources? A. By providing direct access to resource documentation. B. By generating suggestions that demonstrate how to implement the resources. C. By offering video tutorials on the resources. D. By connecting users with experts in the field. Answer. B. By generating suggestions that demonstrate how to implement the resources. Analyze the role of chat participants and /commands in GitHub Copilot Chat. A. They are used to personalize the user interface. B. They help clarify the context and intent of prompts. C. They are used to manage user permissions. D. They provide shortcuts for frequently used commands. Answer. B. They help clarify the context and intent of prompts. What is the primary role of GitHub Copilot as described in the text? A. A tool for debugging code. B. An AI pair programmer. C. A code deployment tool. D. A project management tool. Answer. B. An AI pair programmer. What is a recommended practice to improve the performance of GitHub Copilot Chat? A. Limiting the prompt to coding questions or tasks to enhance the model's output quality. B. Using Copilot Chat as a replacement for human programming. C. Ignoring secure coding and code review practices. Answer. A. Limiting the prompt to coding questions or tasks to enhance the model's output quality. What is the best way to provide context to GitHub Copilot for better code suggestions? A. By keeping all files closed in the editor. B. By using complex function names. C. By providing meaningful function names, specific function comments, and having related files open in the editor. Answer. C. By providing meaningful function names, specific function comments, and having related files open in the editor. What is one of the key features of GitHub Copilot as mentioned in the text? A. Assisting with code improvements. B. Providing cloud storage solutions. C. Offering project management tools. D. Facilitating team communication. Answer. A. Assisting with code improvements. How does GitHub Copilot Chat assist in improving code reliability? A. By suggesting better error handling and input validation. B. By automatically fixing all bugs. C. By rewriting the entire codebase. D. By providing real-time debugging tools. Answer. A. By suggesting better error handling and input validation. In what way does GitHub Copilot Chat help with code performance improvements? A. By optimizing algorithms and reducing memory usage. B. By increasing the number of lines of code. C. By adding more comments to the code. D. By changing the programming language. Answer. A. By optimizing algorithms and reducing memory usage. Analyze the role of effective prompts in using GitHub Copilot Chat for code improvements. A. Effective prompts help GitHub Copilot understand user goals and provide relevant suggestions. B. Effective prompts eliminate the need for coding skills. C. Effective prompts automatically implement code changes. D. Effective prompts replace the need for code reviews. Answer. A. Effective prompts help GitHub Copilot understand user goals and provide relevant suggestions. Evaluate the importance of preparing the development environment as described in the text. A. It is unnecessary as GitHub Copilot Chat works independently of the environment. B. It ensures that the tools and resources needed for the exercise are available. C. It is only important for advanced users. D. It is optional and can be skipped. Answer. B. It ensures that the tools and resources needed for the exercise are available. How can developers use GitHub Copilot Chat to improve the security of a banking application? A. By implementing password-based authentication. B. By encrypting all data at rest. C. By using two-factor authentication. D. By conducting penetration testing. Answer. A. By implementing password-based authentication. Analyze why it is important to catch specific exceptions rather than general ones in secure coding. Practices. A. It allows for more precise error handling. B. It reduces the amount of code needed. C. It improves the performance of the application. D. It simplifies the debugging process. Answer. A. It allows for more precise error handling. What is the first step in setting up GitHub Copilot for an organization? A. Subscribe your organization to GitHub Copilot. B. Set policies. C. Grant access to members. D. Share onboarding material. Answer. A. Subscribe your organization to GitHub Copilot. What are some of the tasks that GitHub Copilot is best suited for? A. Writing tests and repetitive code. B. Debugging and correcting syntax. C. Generating regular expressions. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. How can you guide GitHub Copilot towards more helpful outputs? A. Provide Copilot with helpful context. B. Rewrite your prompts to generate different responses. C. Pick the best available suggestion. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. In what scenario is Copilot Chat more beneficial than code completions? A. When generating large sections of code. B. When completing code snippets. C. When generating repetitive code. D. When generating code from inline comments. Answer. A. When generating large sections of code. What is a key aspect of creating thoughtful prompts for GitHub Copilot? A. Break down complex tasks. B. Be vague about requirements. C. Avoid providing examples. D. Ignore good coding practices. Answer. A. Break down complex tasks.